Hello and welcome to CSS 101, the beginner's guide to beautiful websites. So CSS is the way we make a website look beautiful. Usually websites are plain HTML, it's boring, and our websites look like they're from 1997. With CSS, we can bring our websites into this decade, and we can make our websites look really modern and beautiful. Now CSS is actually really simple, but there is a lot to learn. So don't expect to walk away from this course as a CSS expert. It will take several weeks to get really good at CSS. But don't worry, I'm going to be there to guide you through the easiest way to learn CSS. And to get the most out of this course, you are going to need a basic understanding of HTML. Hi, I'm Caleb Tallien. I'm a web developer. I've been making websites for about 20 years now. I'm a premium coding instructor, and I have over 300,000 students worldwide. In this course, your project is going to include making this web page. We're going to reproduce this hero section, including the navigation and body. So that white section up top and the image section down below. We're going to make this website look really nice using everything you learn in this course. Welcome to CSS 101. And when you are ready, let's get started with that first lesson.